Hello class 9 children. Today I am going to explain you chapter 1 of history French Revolution. In this chapter I will explain you the history of France, which is in Europe, whose capital is Paris. Children, are you seeing three words: liberty, equality and fraternity? These three words are not mere words. These are slogans which were originated from France. These three words inspired and motivated the whole world. It is considered important legacy of French Revolution. From these three words, our Indian nationalist leader were also inspired for nationalism. And if you see this is a flag of France. It is of three color: blue, white and red. And this is the Bastille Fort, which is in France. About related to this fort, right now I am going to tell you incident which occurred in France one morning of 14th July 1789 in the city of Paris. At that time, rumor was spread that army would open fire upon the citizen. After these rumors, nearly 7,000 men and women gathered in front of the town halls and decided to revolt against their king Louis XVI. They here means mob, people of France. They broke into a number of government buildings in search of arms, and they moved towards the Bastille and hoped to get ammunition. In this revolt, the commander of the Bastille was killed and the prisoners were released. At that time, children, everyone hated Bastille because it was the sign of despotism. They demolished it. They means people demolished it, sold its stone fragments in the market. So, my dear children, now question arises: why it happened? Why they demolished Bastille Fort? In this figure also you can see again that in this incident 18 died, 73 wounded, 7 guards were killed. It holds 7 prisoners, means 7 prisoners were there in this fort at that time, 5 ordinary criminals and 2 madmen. So, to know why people revolted against Louis XVI, then we have to look into 5 main causes of French Revolution. So, these 5 main causes of French Revolution are: first, about French society; second, political cause; third, economic cause; fourth, subsistence crisis; and fifth, last, the role of philosopher. These were the main causes of French Revolution. Let's see one by one. First point, the French society during late 18th century. So, at that time in France, the whole population of France, it was divided into 3 estates. So, first estate, if you see, in this clergies were there, high ranking members of the church, and they control lot of schools and operated school. Then you see privileged class, means the people who were in the first class, they were comes under the privilege, means they were exempted from the tax and lived a luxury life. Second estate, in this nobilities peoples are there, these are also privileged class. Then you see third estate, servants to businessmen. Everyone else, from peasants in the countryside to the wealthy peasants. And if you see bourgeoisie, means here it is a French word, it means businessman, and merchant in the cities, they come in the third estate. They were unprivileged classes, means they were obliged to pay taxes. Again, in this you will see the people who are in the first estate: archbishops, bishops, abbots. Due to the power of the Roman Catholic churches, they were in the first class. and they were exempted from paying taxes, and they enjoyed certain privileges by birth, and their status was high, no doubt, luxurious, and lived in palaces. And you see the lower clergy, the village priests, they also come in this category. Then you see second estate, nobility. In this, duke, duchess, count and countess, marquis and marquis. These were in the second estate. Second estate occupied highest position in church, army and government, and they did not do military services also. Children, they do not do military services also. Moreover, they were exempted from paying taxes and enjoyed certain privileges by birth, even though they collected rent from peasants who lived on their lands. Customary dues on salt, clothes, bread, and the tax means the noble enjoyed feudal privileges. Now, if you see in third estate, 26 million citizens are in this estate. Means, in other words, if I explain, 90% of population was from third estate. Means these 26 million citizens out of 28 million come in the third estates. And then if you see bourgeoisie, the peasants, artisans, merchant, manufacturer, bankers, lawyers, all comes under the third estate. And one more group was in the third estate, whom we call educated elites peoples. Moreover, poorest, journeymen, servants, construction worker, street sellers, and all were in this third estate. And see children, all were paying tax, means all paid the tax. They were obliged to render services to the Lord. You can see in this figure also, which you can see in figure, and if you see in this figure, means that first estate and second estate, that they are sitting on the third estate people. And so if I read out this figure, so listen it carefully. What does this cartoon explain? It shows how the king, the first estate and second estate, abused and used on the third estate. Children, one more figure you will see in the image, page number 5 of your NCERT book. So till then, in next video, I will explain you political causes. So thank you for listening this.